Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add and animate your handwriting in CapCut. So if you want to add a unique personal touch to your edits, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can create and animate your handwriting in CapCut for stylish and hand-drawn effect. So in here, let's just start on new project and choose the video background. Here I'm going to just choose, let's say, okay, this video is right here. Click on add. Okay, now once you are in the editing, CapCut editing page, you can just click on text, swipe until you find the draw option to add your handwriting. Okay, so you can choose the style. I'm going to go with the basic one, and here I'm going to use okay, this brush right here, the third. Okay, not that one. Okay, this one. And after that, you can just write anything that you want. So for example, in here I'm going to just write hello, like this. You can adjust the hardness and opacity to how you like it, but I'm going to just go with that. So after you meet your hand drawing, you can just tap on a check icon. Now here you can adjust the durations of the hand drawing. Now you can also adjust the position and also the size of your hand drawing. And if you want to make it alive, you can add animations to your handwriting. Here you can go to animation and you can choose between it, in, out, and loop category. So here I'm going to go with in, and I'm going to use this order in. Okay, like that. And for the out, I'm going to choose the fade out. Tap on a check icon, and this is the final result. So you can just choose which animations that you want. But that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.